Want to turn on sleep mode on Instagram? It's simple and only takes a few steps. Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable sleep mode on Instagram. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Enabling sleep mode allows you to take a break from notifications, which can improve your sleep quality and overall mental health by reducing distractions. While sleep mode is active, you won't receive notifications or calls from Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. From your news feed, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Notifications section and tap on it. Under Notifications, look for Quiet Mode and tap on it. Now, toggle the switch next to Quiet Mode to turn it on. To set specific start and end times for sleep mode, tap on Start Time, choose your time, and hit OK. Then, do the same for end time. Below those options, you can select the days of the week to enable or disable sleep mode. Just tap on the days you want. Once you've set your times and days, your settings will be saved automatically. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable sleep mode on Instagram to minimize distractions during your important hours. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more great content.